Hey, how you doing, Ed? This is Ernesto from IC. Do you guys have those adjustable belts, the orange ones? Oh, you guys don't? Damn. Okay, that's fine, bro. Never mind then. Alright, for sure. Alright, too, bye.
United, what?
Hey, how you doing, man? This is Ernesto from IC. Quick question, do you guys carry those adjustable belts, the orange ones?
The orange ones? We got the two you carry some, let me check.
Okay.
Please stay on the line. We'll be back. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have one of them, but this is for the A belts.
For which one?
For the A belts?
Yeah, so the smaller one?
Yeah, the small one. We have one in stock.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll go ahead and pull up right now and get it then.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you. Alright, bye. Alright, United has them, so they only have one in stock, so that should be fine. So let's go ahead and pull it up. Get it. We got the belt. This one's black, is not the orange one. Maybe they just changed colors. Hi guys, so it's the end of the day. It's about 4:45 p.m. I got an exhaust hood down at a restaurant, and I guess they're saying it's not working at all, that it's barely pulling any air. We don't do the maintenance there. We don't really go there a lot, and the last couple times that my manager told me that we've been there is because the belt's been broken, like I said, because we don't do the maintenance or anything like that. So I stopped by the supply store, got the adjustable belt just in case if it is broken. That way I don't have to come back and get a belt, especially because it's 4:30. So by the time I get to the car, by the time I figure it out, supply store is gonna be closed, so that way we just don't waste time. So let's go ahead and head over and see what we find. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that one. So just by feeling it, I guarantee you those filters on the bottom are gonna be dirty, because this thing's pulling enough air. So basically what we did downstairs before I came up here, we pour some water on the stove so all the steam will go up, and what I noticed that the steam will go up and then come back down. So I'm thinking those filters are gonna be clogged up. The manager did say they wash them every Monday, but the thing about it is a lot of restaurants, they only wash them with water. Those need to be washed with proper cleaner for all the grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we find. The belt is not as bad. It's not broken. Shaft doesn't look that bad. So let's go ahead and turn it back on. Alright guys, so I just check amperage. Amperage is fine. What I like to do anytime I work on this system is I like to take them off from the panel from here and check it from there. So let's go ahead and put this back. Yeah guys, that's a really common issue with those with exhaust hoods. A lot of the times management cleans them out with water only. What they're supposed to do is put them in water, put a special cleaner on them and leave them overnight. That's what a lot of restaurants do. And like I said, this one's they just wash them with water thinking that's going to be enough, which is not. So if any of you guys that are new go to an exhaust hood and realize that the exhaust hood is running fine and it's still not pulling in air, it's going to be those filters. So what I did, I just went downstairs, took out some filters and went up real quick. So I just told them they have to clean them out and go from there. Also guys, I wanted to show you guys what I did with my Vito bag. I'll probably get a lot of criticism for it, but oh well. If you guys know, the MC, it has, you know, pockets in the front of course and the back side. And I noticed in the back side where they were bigger, it was always a hassle to put things in because a lot of times they wouldn't fit. So what I did, I cut out the pockets, so you guys can tell, and now everything legit fits perfectly. I was even able to get a bigger box with everything inside. Goes perfectly inside. You got little gauges perfectly. Then you got the probes on the corner, they fit perfectly. Then you got the clamps. Oh, where's my other clamp? Oh. Then you got the other clamp, boom, fits perfectly. Then you got the meter, you just have to kind of put in, boom, fits perfectly. And then even my drill fits perfectly. I mean, I can't do it with one hand, but you guys get the point. And then you're able to close it perfectly fine. That's one thing I don't like about the Vito bags, is that a lot of times the other bags on the other side you really can't put a lot of things. So if Vito comes out with a new design without back pockets that you're able to fit more things in it, you're welcome. So like I said guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick, easy, simple one. Peace.